And with COVID rates surging here in Connecticut, teachers are calling for more protection in the classroom.
In fact, today they delivered a petition to the governor calling for some action. Chief Capitol reporter Susan Raff is live at the state capitol in Hartford, where this event was held there. Susan?
Mark, teachers are concerned, so are educators and parents, especially now that COVID infection rates have been going up here in our state. And while they agree that safety measures are in place, they feel that they're not strong enough, and the bigger concern, they're just not consistent at all schools.
No one is pleased or satisfied at signing this petition.
A petition with 14,000 signatures was rolled out on the steps of the state capitol. Those who signed it are teachers, educators, and parents.
We find that the level of risk in our schools can be unacceptable. And it greatly varies from what was promised last fall.
Teachers and school staff want to establish and enforce consistent safety measures and require uniform transparency when it comes to reporting and responding to COVID cases. They say what exists now are loosely put together recommendations, and they want concrete standards from the state. They also support more testing, especially in schools. Last month, Middletown announced a partnership with the Community Health Center to start a pilot program to allow school nurses to give rapid tests. But their bottom line is, if safety standards can't be met, then all schools should go remote.
Now let's look at what's happening in Hereford, Norwalk, West Haven, and Windham, and many other districts where staffing is very short due to infections and quarantine. Their school buildings remain open for in-person or hybrid learning, well past the time they should be closed.
The State Board of Education did have something to say today regarding this petition with 14,000 signatures. Ultimately, they say the goal would be to have students in school because they feel that is the best education, but they agree that safety should and always be a top priority. Now, teachers say that there have been meetings with education leaders, and while they've been helpful, they still feel that what's been done so far falls short of what they feel is needed. We're live at the state capitol in Hartford. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.